Look up here. Hi, cutie. What's up, baby? Copy passport.
After 3 weeks in Serbia waiting for Tara to be old enough for her rabies vaccination and pet passport, we were back on track. Finally able to continue our bike tour across Europe. Our next destination was Montenegro and the much anticipated Durmitor National Park.
I'm hating the trucks, but the graph looks so much nicer. It's these guys that I don't want to deal with.
Yeah. Starting late in the afternoon, we were headed to an unavoidable 1,000 metre climb to the border crossing.
Tara! Good girl. Hi. Hello. What's this? Ooh. That's good.
Not even so biting.
She's figuring it out though. Good girl, Tara. Go on, go. Come on.
How's that?
And we just got stopped by two farmers who look like neighbours, and they gave us tons of plums. They just kept handing it to us, and we had nowhere to put them. Tara likes them.
Yeah, so you've got the bitter ones, which is maybe what I've got too.
Yeah.
But the other guy, he handed me one, and it was almost white on the inside. It was so sweet.
Ooh.
It was very yummy.
We need to make camp because it's getting very dark very quick. Which I don't feel like this would be a bad road to do night riding on, but
No, it's so quiet. We haven't seen it.
yeah. This is about where I pinned for us to get to today too.
We made camp behind a shed, partway up the climb.
Oh, sorry. So steep.
We had chosen to take a back road rather than the busy main highway for obvious reasons, but the lack of traffic was traded for a very steep gradient.
We're unfortunately climbing straight into a storm. Oh, we're still on a hill, so it looks like down. Alright. Ooh. Okay.
To add to the challenges, we were headed directly into a storm predicted to drop an immense amount of rain, whilst also juggling cycling with a puppy.
We might actually have to shelter somewhere.
Yeah.
Man, I'm so done with the hills.
go up, this is the hump, and then we come down to Jabuka.
It's unnerving. Ooh. That one's right on us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, rain jacket.
Which is also now there.
Put your rain jacket on, Ollie. The angle, the slope, 300 meters elevation gain on that was hell. Mine says 1,140. Great. It's like the last road in Serbia.
I was increasingly nervous about the border crossing, worried we had forgotten something necessary for them to let Tara through into Montenegro.
Alright. The last stretch of Serbia, assuming they let us in to Montenegro. Hey, sweetie. We're in Montenegro!
And as it turned out, I had nothing to worry about.
Hey, Ollie.
You got to
Number 12.
number
And Tara's number 1. A whole new country. I can't believe it. I was so stressed.
They didn't even care.
They don't even care. They
They're
don't.
like, oh, you got the blue book, fine.
Yeah, well, that's nice to see. Cool. Good on ya. Whatever. Oh my god. We're in Montenegro.
We are.
We're in the Black Mountains. Although Montenegro, I think we're going to be here at least 20 days just based on the route. I'm starting to forget how horrendous the climb here was. That's where my butt goes, man.
Jesus.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to stand and ride. Puppy comes first. Oh man.
The storm eventually caught up to us as we passed through Pjevlja.
I'm not sure about pitching a tent in this. I wasn't sure about that either. I saw a pinpoint of the flash. Wow. No. Oh man, that's heavy. Soaking through. It is a bit late now. I have no idea how Poppy's doing, but she hasn't said anything, so she's probably cozy, like in her little bed with her rain cover. Whoa. Ooh, let's go up here. That thing is like crashed there and never moved again. This is so spooky.
No.
Oh, she's totally fine. She's a little bit wet, but she's not dead. There we go. Hey, puppy. Oi.
Oi.
More thunder. I know. Puppy. Oh, it's a stork. Whoa.
Once we were inside the shelter, it became clear to us that it once was used as a slaughterhouse. Although not much was left now, just the concrete and wooden structures, and a few panes of glass with bullet holes in them. A stray was also using the facility to stay dry, but didn't bother us.
Our biggest mistake was not putting our waterproof pants on when we had the chance, and I was brutally cold.
If we're pushing up 350 meters, I should be able to keep my body temperature up. I just have to keep moving.
Eventually we arrived at a campground and opted to stay in a cabin to dry ourselves out.
Hey Tara. Hi. What you doing?
The next day was a short one, with only 100 meters elevation gain before descending down to Tara Gorge. The difficulties of the day before were rewarded by stunning views and the warmth of the sun.
Can it turn? Yeah. I like that one.
Arriving in the early afternoon, we had the whole campsite and view of Tara Bridge to ourselves.
Hi! Hey girl! We're at about 800 meters elevation right now, and we're gonna have to climb up to the very top tomorrow morning. Hi! Oh, I Okay.